Negasngi man go kasngi wasa akan mo yagi kon grilom jaintia hewa ka India Post da palait go yaka permanent pictorial cancellation yung umot sa nam ukyang Nangbah wa ka special cover ukyang Nangbah. Yakini da palait ha kaya lang wapan man hakyang Nangbah Government College Juai hewa u MLA ka Juai wailat mikishala da manukam ukong san hey lang UCM ka JHADC utambor siwan u director ka Postal Services Headquarter North East Circle UKVL Murti udaloy ki ilaka jawai upuraman kenjenyua kiwi. Hagani kasngi principal ka college waman le president ka Saint Right jawai toy dakhana ya ka parom ukyang Nangbah he wada ongu wa neman sakhet ko kasngi wasa kan mo yanom. UKVL Murti da ongu wa ipalai yakini ki Pictorial Cancellation man I wo tip ka India wa ka perthai chapang ukyang Nangbah wa iya khun yo ukyang Nangbah te yo iya lai loit kan ni. Doong ule wa kathain chanen mi sngi man go ko empha he wada pen mi ko chibon ut ki bro chlur wa ki khro prakhat ki wada chakri ya kri umar ti dekan tu le ya ki paj ba wo chim ka bu ya ki chakri ka post office omdu wa pha tiar pha kon pha chithi tang wa wot wa thap wei pelang paisa le kamjo wailat miki haw e kalam de ku bleu yak India Post wada timit ko ya ukhlawai kri de wa palai ya ka permanent pictorial cancellation yong ukyang Nangbah kamjo ka special cover. Doongu wahan la kaya lang man ko bakhian tangwa man ko kambha hewa ya ini dele do sisin don hi hewa dapon mi ya ki envelope wa idur wa iparom wa tabian ukyang Nangbah hewa kini ki envelope ulai ki hakaleng ke perthai chu doongu wa I kan ni msngau thu ye koridor yong ilai loit nei bha wa da khalai loit chwa ya I de wa kentu ya waro wa pten ye wa ya luti ukyang Nangbah wailat miki de kentu le wo emno da iwi dan hi idur ukyang Nangbah khnang wa mendapen mi ya ki mod ki parom wa giwi upen emkam no du da iwi dan hi idur de wa penrap wa chna no ya umot yong uniu khlawa ya ka college han lada upen ludu nakataw le de kentu le ya ka India Post wa wai ka dawar wo iki ekre ya ki khanna khanro khlot nakathain hapo ka chnat nei bha wa man ki wasmat utip wei ki wa yai cha kini ki Pictorial Cancellation wa ka special cover to ki wo chon nepen mi du sin dan hi ka Anjali Verma ka waman ka Senior Superintendent of Post Office Meghalaya da batay go wa ki special cover ki waman ki envelope wa idur ukyang Nangbah uyo yaki kat hado wadang ki wada dep chon na mo ka stock kat wa ka Pictorial Cancellation wan to ka chapsil wa idur umot sa nam hasun tuksir we une ba ki hado san chipaus nem hadin le we kini man ki wada tipmit da ka sarkar India dakhana gale wa yakini yi uyo na ka shillong GPO he dor wa ar phau tangka nei benta ka special cover kadwa ka Pictorial Cancellation to dei makana.
I am Anjali Verma, Senior Superintendent of Post Offices. So in simple terms, I am in charge of all the post offices in the state of Meghalaya. So today we had an event in Kiang Nangbah Government College. So here we have done a release of permanent pictorial cancellation and special cover. So I'll explain to you what both these terms mean. First is a special cover, which is like a postcard, especially designed on some theme or topic. So in this case, it happens to be the great freedom fighter, Kiang Nangbah. So that's this postcard, the special cover we are talking about, will contain a picture as well as a brief about what his contribution is to the state of Meghalaya and to the country in general. So this is our special cover. Next thing that we've done today is the release of permanent pictorial cancellation. It is called permanent because it remains in the memory of Government of India till eternity. So whenever you visit, let's say Shillong GPO, in next 100 years or even 150, you will find this thing there. So you can get a cancellation. Cancellation meaning a mark that you put on some article. Let's say if you have, you want to send a letter, it has to be cancelled as per the rules. So this cancellation will carry what? This mark that we have released today along with the date. So it will carry a picture of Kiang Nangbah moment, the monument that we have here, and the date on which you have gotten it cancelled. So it serves as institutional memory of Government of India. So these are very important event, especially if you are a person who collects stamps. So generally after a release, we get orders from across the country and sometimes from foreign countries also. If you have people living there who ask for these cancellation and the stamps, and we accordingly dispatch it from the post offices. That's a good question. So anybody who wishes to have this special cover and the permanent pictorial cancellation, which is a mark on the postcard, let's say, so you can go to Shillong GPO. There it will be available till the stock lasts for special cover. Permanent pictorial cancellation, whether you go today, 2 years later, 5 years, 10 years, it will always be there.
Indian Post for this very important program, and I hope this will bring a unity, a strong bond of unity to our people of Giant Hills. And before I'll take my seat, I'd like to urge, since we have our Director of Postal Service, I'd like to urge you, we know that this Indian Post, also it's a very big family, and even in our state. And as you know that we have very many educated youth who are unemployed. So I'd like to urge you to please, I have seen many of your advertisement. So I'd like to request you that you please make sure that our youth from our state will be accommodated in your department. No doubt there will be issue with communication and all, but I'll tell you our people are very fast learning. They will do what task you give them. And like I have heard from many departments from many companies from other part of the states or the country, our youth are very good in service. If you go in Assam or other major hospital in the country, maximum of the nurses you will find are from Meghalaya. And even they are going to Singapore and Japan. So you don't have to worry, but I would like to once again urge you to please to look into the matter, because as we are facing the problem of unemployment. So with these few words, once again, thank you very much, and I'd like to thank each and everyone who have been a part of this program. With these few words, thank you, privilege born, and Jai Hind.